Welcome to this in-depth tutorial where we walk you through every step of cutting and installing marble for an artificial waterfall feature. Whether you're a professional craftsman looking to refine your technique or a DIY enthusiast with a passion for elegant outdoor or indoor features, this comprehensive guide will provide you with the knowledge and insights you need to get the job done with precision and style. The art of marble waterfall design. An artificial waterfall made with marble is not just a water feature, it's a statement piece. It brings together natural stone aesthetics, structural craftsmanship, water flow dynamics, and lighting harmony. The elegance of marble paired with the soothing sound of falling water creates an atmosphere that is both luxurious and relaxing. In this video, we show you how to bring that vision to life. 1. Planning and measuring. Before anything is cut or installed, we begin with planning. Accurate measurements are crucial. We cover how to take precise measurements of your wall or structure, account for marble thickness and joint spacing, plan for the water flow path and lighting placements. Decide on the marble type, polished versus rough. Finish, based on design preference. We also discuss tools and safety equipment you should have before starting, including angle grinders, water-cooled cutting machines, diamond blades, and protective gear. 2. Cutting the marble slabs. Cutting marble is an art in itself. It requires patience, steady hands, and the right blade. In this section, we show how to safely position your marble for cutting, the technique for making clean, accurate cuts using a wet saw or a tile cutter, how to avoid chipping or cracking during cuts, cutting around corners, electrical access points, or lighting conduits. We also include tips for maintaining a consistent pattern and grain direction if you're using veined marble for a seamless look. 3. Preparing the wall surface. Before the marble can be applied, your wall needs to be properly prepared. We go over cleaning the surface of dust, debris, or previous finishes, applying waterproofing membranes if necessary, using cement-based adhesives or marble glue leveling, and marking guidelines for symmetrical placement. This stage is crucial for ensuring a strong, long-lasting bond between the marble and the wall. 4. Installing the marble. Installation is where the project starts coming to life. In this part, we demonstrate how to apply adhesive properly for maximum hold, how to position the first layer as a reference for the rest, how to maintain equal spacing and leveling between slabs, the importance of using spacers and checking alignment, frequently techniques to handle large and heavy slabs safely. We also address special installation cases such as wrapping marble around edges or using corner pieces for a finished look. 5. Integration with water flow. This is the heart of the waterfall. Integrating water circulation with the marble design. You'll learn how to align marble cuts with the water spout or fall line sealing joints to prevent water leaks, creating a soft or strong flow effect depending on pump strength and opening shape. Installing catch basins or reservoirs if required. Preventing water splashing or overflow on nearby surfaces. We include a full walkthrough of connecting the plumbing, testing the pump, and adjusting water pressure. 6. Lighting and final touches. Lighting transforms your marble waterfall into a visual masterpiece. At night, this section includes types of lighting: LED strips, spotlights, embedded wall lights, choosing the right color, temperature, and angle, hiding cables, and ensuring safe, waterproof connections, highlighting specific areas like the waterline or textured marble, polishing marble surfaces and sealing them for long-term protection. We also give tips for matching your waterfall's finish to nearby decor elements like planters, flooring, or furniture. 7. Maintenance tips and longevity. Marble and water can be a beautiful but sensitive combination. To keep your waterfall pristine for years, we show how to clean marble without damaging it, preventing mineral buildup and staining from hard water, when to reseal joints or reapply marble polish, checking for water pump wear and tear, seasonal tips. for maintaining the system during winter or dry weather. Why this tutorial is unique. Unlike generic guides, this tutorial is shot with a real installation from scratch, showing both the challenges and the solutions. Every cut, adjustment, and alignment is captured in detail, making it easier for you to follow and replicate. Whether you're working on a small garden waterfall or a large wall feature in a luxury villa, the steps shown here can be adapted to fit your vision. Take your time, watch each step carefully, and feel free to pause, rewind, and re-watch the parts that matter most to your project. Creating a marble waterfall is a rewarding process, and with the right approach, it can be done with precision and pride. If you enjoy this kind of detailed craftsmanship, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the process of turning stone, water, and light into a living masterpiece. 8. Advanced installation techniques. For those looking to push their craftsmanship further, this section dives into expert-level techniques that elevate your marble waterfall installation beyond the basics. These include creating a floating marble look by concealing mountings or supports within the wall structure, combining materials such as integrating natural stone borders, glass accents, or metal framing with the marble to enhance the visual impact, building in layered depths, allowing water to cascade across multiple levels for a tiered waterfall effect, curving or beveling edges of marble slabs for a softer, more organic appearance, integrating mosaics or custom patterns within the marble surface using contrasting stone inserts. We also show how to use templates or laser guides for complex cuts, especially if your design involves symmetry or repetitive patterns. 9. Dealing with common challenges. No project is without its hurdles, and marble installations come with their own set of challenges. We walk you through solutions for handling uneven walls that may require surface leveling or using adjustable marble brackets, fixing alignment errors without damaging installed slabs, dealing with chipped corners during handling and how to patch them cleanly, waterproofing leaks, especially around pipe outlets or pump connections, managing heavy slab weight when working on vertical walls or overhead sections. By addressing these real-world problems, we prepare you for the unexpected, helping you work with confidence. 10. Design inspiration and creative ideas. Beyond functionality, your artificial waterfall is a canvas for artistic expression. In this section, we explore design themes such as minimalistic, rustic, Zen garden, or Mediterranean styles, using backlit marble, onyx, or translucent stone for a glowing effect when water flows over it, combining lighting color changes with timers or motion sensors for dynamic visual impact, decorating the surrounding space, like placing plants, gravel, or wooden features around the base, incorporating sound control by adjusting the drop height and water speed for either a soft trickle or a powerful cascade. These aesthetic decisions transform a technical installation into a showpiece. 11. Safety considerations and best practices. When working with marble and electrical components in a wet environment, safety must be a priority. We emphasize waterproofing all electrical connections using outdoor-rated boxes and silicone sealing, using GFCI outlets and voltage protectors, installing drainage systems to prevent water pooling around the structure, choosing slip-resistant flooring near the waterfall area if accessible to people, wearing protective gear during cutting, especially masks and gloves to handle marble dust. Following these best practices ensures your waterfall is both beautiful and safe for long-term enjoyment. 12. Tools and material checklist. To help you prepare before starting your own build, we've compiled a detailed checklist of everything used in this project. Tools: wet tile saw with diamond blade, angle grinder for fine shaping, marble adhesive and notched trowel, level and laser line guide, suction cup lifters, rubber mallet, measuring, tape and spirit level, safety glasses, gloves, mask materials, pre-selected marble slabs, dimensions listed in video, cement board or wall frame, waterproofing membrane, LED light strips or waterproof fixtures, pump and flexible piping, silicone and sealants, grout or epoxy if needed. Having all materials on hand before you begin saves time and avoids costly delays. 13. Time, budget, and professional options. We conclude this guide by helping you estimate how long such a project typically takes for different skill levels: 1 to 3 days for pros, 3 to 6 days for beginners. Expected costs based on marble quality, wall size, lighting type, and tools used. When to consider hiring a professional, especially for electrical or large-scale structural elements. We also offer tips on negotiating prices with suppliers, selecting high-quality marble, and finding skilled labor if needed. Final words. By now, you've learned not just the how, but the why behind every cut, every layer of adhesive, and every drop of water that flows down your marble masterpiece. This project combines structure, nature, light, and motion, and the result is a calming, elegant, and timeless feature that will elevate any space. Whether you're building this for a home, a hotel, a restaurant, or a personal relaxation zone, your marble waterfall will reflect your craftsmanship and your vision. Thank you for watching this extended tutorial. We hope it inspires you to take on this rewarding challenge. Feel free to leave questions or comments. We're here to help. Stay creative, stay safe, and keep building. 14. Final touches and finishing details. Once the major installation is complete, it's the finishing touches that truly refine the work. These small details make a massive difference in the overall appearance and durability. Cleaning the marble. Surface thoroughly using pH-neutral stone cleaners to enhance its natural shine. Polishing exposed edges with fine grit pads for a smooth, luxurious finish. Caulking all joints with color-matched silicone to ensure seamless transitions between slabs. Tightening and hiding electrical wires from lighting strips for a professional appearance. Running a water test for at least 24 hours to detect any leaks or irregular flow patterns before permanent operation. This final stage should not be rushed. Take your time to ensure every detail aligns with the elegance of the design. 15. Maintenance and long-term care. To preserve the beauty and function of your artificial waterfall over time, a proper maintenance routine is essential. Regularly, inspect the water pump and filters to avoid blockages or damage. Wipe down the marble weekly to prevent buildup of minerals and algae, especially in outdoor or humid environments. Check lighting components for wear or flickering and replace LED strips as needed. Seal the marble annually using breathable stone sealers to protect against staining or discoloration. Drain and clean the water basin every few months to maintain freshness and prevent odors. By maintaining your waterfall properly, you ensure it remains a centerpiece for years with minimal repair costs. 16. Upgrading and expanding the design. For those with a passion for improvement, your first marble waterfall can become a launching point for more advanced or expansive projects. Some exciting ideas include extending the marble wall height to create a full-feature backdrop, adding multiple water outlets for a multi-stream or rain wall effect, using programmable RGB lights to change colors dynamically via smartphone apps, syncing water flow with music or movement sensors for interactive installations. Installing a misting system around the marble to enhance atmosphere and humidity control. These additions transform a static feature into an evolving experience suitable for luxury settings or creative showrooms. 17. Photography and showcasing your work. If you're a craftsman, interior designer, or YouTuber, learning how to present your finished project visually can make a huge impact on how it's received by clients and viewers. Use warm lighting and long exposure photography to highlight the texture of the marble. Capture videos of the water flow during different times of the day, morning, sunset, night. Film slow-motion clips of water falling to emphasize smoothness and elegance. Create a transformation timeline showing before, during, and after stages of the installation. Use drone footage or wide-angle shots for outdoor or larger-scale installations. Professional presentation opens doors to more projects and enhances your online or local portfolio. 18. Sharing your work.